If you want to update a game in itch.io quickly and easily, this video will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're trying to grab the latest patch, fix a bug, or make sure you're playing the newest version, itch.io makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the itch.io app on your computer and go to your library. This is where all of your downloaded games are stored, so take a moment to find the game you want to update. Once you see it, click on the game image to open its details page. This will bring up the options for that specific game, so you can manage it directly from there. Next, look for the gear icon. This is usually the settings or options menu for the game, and it gives you access to more actions related to the install. Click the gear icon and then choose Manage from the menu. Once you're inside the Manage section, you should see the option to check for update. Click that button, and itch.io will look for the latest version of the game. If an update is available, it will download and apply the patch automatically for you. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just let the process finish before launching the game again. And that's really all there is to it. You've now updated your game in itch.io using the app, and you're ready to jump back in with the newest fixes and features. If this video helped, please make sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.